YouTube, it's your boy 360 Joshy, and I'm back at it again with another wave video. And today, guys, what we're gonna be talking about is the steps, the purpose, and everything on a kit or a texturizer or a perm. I'm gonna be teaching you what is the benefit of it, what does it do, and what's exactly what it's doing to your hair, pros and cons about a perm or kit when you're using it to get 360 waves. So stay tuned and we're gonna jump right into the video. I'm so happy I'm back. I'm sorry that I haven't been posting consistently, but I'm coming in and I'm coming back full-fledged. Thank you guys. Let's go.
Nice and silky smooth.
Alright guys, with this video, I'm going to be teaching you about, like I said, the pros and cons. What is the purpose of this? What are we using it for? Because a lot of people are saying what it is, but some of that stuff, what they're saying isn't true. I'm going to come to you with full facts, full detail information on what it is, what does these products do. So, the kit, okay, we all know we call it a kit as waivers. So with the product, what it basically does is giving your hair, a different hair texture for a short period of time. So, of course, hair waivers, we're putting a kit in our head. We're gonna have that medium hair texture for a short period of time. Now, people say when you put the kit in your head, it gives you waves. That's not necessarily what it's for. If that was the case, when women put perms in their head, they would get waves. No, it could be using multiple ways. But, you know, as men, we're using it trying to get waves. But basically, with a medium hair waiver, they don't have to brush as much as us to get waves. But what that kit does, it gives you that hair texture of a medium hair wave. So when you brush, it's easier to get waves. Basically what it's doing is making it easier for you to get waves for a coarse hair waiver. That's why they say you're cheating necessarily, because you're using that to get that hair texture, to get your progress to come in more quicker. And that's kind of cheating in a sense, and you didn't really work for it. You tried to rush, you wanted that popcorn style, you just wanted it pop in the microwave, bam, it's there. But that's not really good. What the kit does, if you keep putting it in your hair, it's gonna be not too good. You're gonna experience hair loss quicker than what you were gonna get if it's in your genetics to have hair loss. You're gonna experience it more quicker than what it was supposed to. Or if you don't have it in your genetics, you keep consistently put it in your hair, you're gonna get hair loss. And another thing with the cons of the kit, if you put it in your hair when you're stressing, it gives you hair loss quicker too, because stressing causes hair loss. Plus the kit, it's giving you hair loss. So that's why women, when they put perms in their head and they're stressing, that's why their beautician tells them to not stress when they're putting the perm in their head, because they know if they do that, it's gonna make your hair fall out quicker. So, in another thing, if you're not a professional barber or beautician, do not put a kit in your hair, because you're gonna put it wrong and your hair could fall out instantly. That's why my mom, she's a beautician and she's great at it, and I let her put the kit in my head. Now, I don't put it in my hair anymore. I stopped because, for one, I didn't put perms and kits in my hair to get waves. I brush, because back in the while, I didn't have any contact or any source of someone putting a perm in my head, and I ain't got waves by brushing. So I put it in my head because I like the look, how it would make my hair look, that silky look. But otherwise, I earned my waves already by brushing. Second off, I put it in to show you guys how to do it, because I seen nobody, for the ones who want to do it, I put it out there for you to learn step by step how to do it. That's why I made the kit video. Because I've seen a lot of people in the comment sections was saying I'm a fake waver. I didn't get my waves by brushing. I put a kit. That's not true at all. That's a no. So, guys, what we're gonna be doing, I'm just telling you all of this so you know. Now, the good thing about the kit, you can put it in here. I'm not telling for the people who wanted to put it in their hair that just telling you, oh, you don't have to do it, but you really should brush to earn your waves. But if you want to do it, that's cool too. But here's what you should do if you want to do it to not get that hair loss to come in quick. Don't do it every time you get a cut. That's not good. I would say do it once a month or once every 2 months, around that. Do not keep putting that in your hair consistently. Do not put it in when you're in a stressing time, like you're in college, school, you got finals coming up, you're stressing to study that. Don't put it in your hair because it's not good. With it's like basically with a kit, it's like candy. You like the taste of the candy, or you like the look what the kit gives you. But if you keep eating candy, what it's gonna do? It's gonna make your tummy hurt. You're gonna gain weight, and it's not good for you. It's not good for your body if you keep eating too much candy. Same thing with the kit. It makes you look good, but putting too much of that in your hair, it's damaging your hair. Just like when you do drugs, yeah, you're gonna get that high, but what it's doing is damaging your body. Just like the kit, it's making your hair look good, but it's damaging your hair in the long run. It's giving you that nice good look, but it's damage. You don't know how much damage you're putting in your hair if you keep putting it in all the time. Now, African American women, they don't put a kit all the time. They wait a while. They don't consistently keep doing it. So it's not healthy to keep using it all the time. That's what I'm trying to say. So guys, you can put it in your hair. You really can. But just don't put it in all the time. Another thing, guys, with a kit, you should always, when you are putting this stuff in your hair, don't just straight up put it in your hair and use shampoo, your regular shampoo and conditioner. You need neutralizing shampoo and conditioner, because you're defeating the purpose of putting the kit in your hair. All that's doing is stripping what you just put in your hair, stripping it all out. So you want to get neutralized shampoo and conditioner so it can coat with the perm or kit that you just put in your head, so it could instead of stripping it, adding on to it and cleaning your hair at the same time. It's adding on and it's taking away the dirt, if you get what I mean. So it's taking away the white extra chemical that's in your hair. It's taking that away plus the dirt and still adding on to it, so it can still keep the feel and texture. So it's real good that you get neutralizing shampoo and conditioner when you washing the kit out your head. So guys, that's basically really about it. I would recommend you most likely brush, but you could, if you want that good look and texture like I was using it for. Now, I mean, it's alright if you just want the look, but if you're just doing it to cheat to get waves, I mean, that's you. You can. I'm not saying that. It's your life, what you want to do. But don't go boasting around saying that I brushed day in and day out, lying saying that you did that. Be honest and say, yeah, I did that. I put that in my head and I got waves. Don't go doing like some of these other wavers are doing, putting kits in their head and making it seem like they brushed to get that. That's not good at all. Be honest and be true. Now, I'm gonna go in on a brush session, show y'all my progress and stuff, and we're gonna get right into it.
Zeelan made this one.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go finish this brush session and get out y'all way. I hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe. We almost to 1,000 subscribers. We got 640 subscribers. We're like 400 subscribers away, almost 300 subscribers away from hitting 1,000. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe on this video. I thank y'all for all of the support. I thank you for the comments that y'all been posting. I've been reading comments from my old videos, still being consistent on that, even though I haven't been having the time to post video content. I really appreciate y'all guys for still subscribing and supporting me. The kid video hit 84,000 views. I'm so happy to see that and how it grew. I never thought it would get this big, and I appreciate you guys. Only God and His doing is helping my channel and me be able to give you the support, give you the advice that I want to give y'all. I got more videos coming up. I'm gonna try to post a video tomorrow. Just be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, keep me posted on social media, DM me anything, any advice, any help, just DM me on Instagram. I'll be happy to answer all your questions, everything. Peace, thank you, God bless, and go Team Joshi.